What's going on, guys? My name is Joshua Daniel George, and in this video I'm going to basically be reviewing Clickbank landing pages to see which one are the most effective and will get you the most conversions when promoting Clickbank products. Now, before we actually dive into the video, I just want to give a quick mention that if you are serious about affiliate marketing and you want to get started, you want to get the ball rolling, you want to start earning money online, we do have a free masterclass that explains from start to finish how to go from zero to hero with affiliate marketing. Like I said, it is all linked in the description box down below, and with that said, let's hop into the video. Okay guys, and welcome to the video. I'm ready. I've got my cup of coffee here, so let's hop into it. So like I said in the introduction, what we're going to be doing today is looking at the landing pages of products, or the sales pages that are created by the vendor, and I'm just going to give my 2 cents on them, give my opinion on them, just so that when you actually do start to promote Clickbank products, you know which landing pages to look out for and which pages will convert best. Okay, now this is all my opinion. Okay, do not take these opinions and statements and you know, I don't know, outbursts as facts. I'm just basically coming from a point of experience with Clickbank, as well as just online marketing and media buying in general, and I'm just basically just giving my opinion on these landing pages. Okay, so with that said, which category shall we start in and how shall we do this video? I think we should go for like the main 3 categories, which are obviously health, wealth, and like happiness, relationships, health, wealth, and relationships, and we'll pick a couple out of each, and then I'll just give my review on them. Okay, now, so rather than actually going into all these categories, what I will do, I'll just move the mic a little bit closer to my mouth, is I will, you know, get all of the products up and then sort by gravity, and then we'll just pick out a few out of those categories. So as you can see here, Leptotox is like the most popular product at the moment, gravity of 561, and this is obviously a health product. So Leptotox is a product on, well, losing weight, obviously. Other than that, I'm not actually 100% sure what it is. I'm guessing it's some kind of... Okay, so we won't actually watch the video just yet. Prefer to read? Yes, that's fine. Let's read the text version. So it's, I think it's water, is it? It's like some kind of water-based product. It's a drink, and that makes you lose fat. Okay, so let me just start at the start, and let's review the video sales letter. So first thing you see when you come onto the website is you've got the video sales letter that's explaining about everything you do, and then you can buy the bottles here. Okay, so you've got 1 bottle for 59, 6 bottles for so for 6 bottles for 234, and then you've got 3 bottles for 147. Okay, let's have a quick look at the video sales letter.
She aches, she's hungry, exhausted, she sleeps, but every morning the scales never change. She tries to ignore it, but for my wife Grace, she is a prisoner of her own belly fat. A 46-year-old mother of 3, trapped inside her own body. Her shoulders slump.
Okay, that's very, very dramatic. But yeah, obviously, you know, it does tell like the story, and video sales letters always outperform like copy, unless someone really hates watching videos. But just the way we are as people, you know, we're very much like short-term thinkers. You know, we'd rather go for short-term gratification. So a video is obviously much less effort on our part to consume content. So, you know, that is why so many people are addicted to television. So a video sales letter will more often than not always outperform like just like a text advertorial type landing page. Okay, so as you can see here, it's got a clean headline, it's got arrows pointing to the video. It's actually a YouTube video, not even Vistia. And then the 5-second hack that kills food cravings and melts 62 pounds of fat. And then you've obviously got the 3 pricing options, and as you can see, obviously they want you to go for the 6 bottles. That's why they've added the red at the top. They've made it the largest out of the 3, and then obviously the 1 bottle, which is something that they probably don't prefer, is the smallest, and it's like sort of like onto the side. And it's proven that people always go for the middle option. So, like for example, if you can get a small, medium, or large coffee, more often than not, people will go for the medium, because a large it feels bad. Like it feels like you shouldn't be doing it. Same goes for small. You feel like you're not getting your values worth. So people always go for the medium option. So what have they done is they've added the most expensive one as the medium option. So you can see it's 1, 6, or 3. So that is smart thinking of them, and that is obviously, will probably convert the best, because like I said, people always feel safest going for the medium option, and this time the medium option is actually the most expensive. Then they've got a lot of testimonials, call to action again. If I click on these, I think I'm going to go right to the checkout page, which yes I do. Secure checkout. Let me just click back on that, and then more Q&As, call to actions, etc. So in my opinion, I give this a 7 out of 10, 8 out of 10 actually, because like I said, it's got everything that it needs. The only thing I'm missing is, to be fair, I'm not really missing anything. I think it's like a very like Americanized landing page. Basically what I mean by that is, it's for those of you that are like in the Netherlands, you guys will know what I mean. It's like a Telcel type landing page, which is like a sales program on like Dutch television. It might even be on UK television and US television as well, where it's literally just like, call now and get like 5 gallons of water for free and stuff like that. And it just reminds me of one of those type of adverts. But other than that, like I said, it looks like a good high converting landing page. Extend 10 pop-up as well. Do this 5-second water hack. So basically, if you have the intention of leaving the page, you'll get the Extend 10 pop-up, which is basically just to get someone to stay on the website just a little longer. So like I said, 7 out of 10. Then we've got, so that is health. Let's go to wealth, which is the overnight millionaire system. Let's click on that. Let's see what it is. Let's see what it's all about. Okay, so it's a video sales letter again, but other than that, not much is happening. They've got the social proof here. 430 people signed up in the last 24 hours. So you can just see like people always want to go for what other people are doing. So if you're like, let's say for example, you are going for a cup of, I was going to say cup of coffee, but I might maybe be able to give you guys a better example. Let's say someone is selling orange juice. Okay, and no one else is buying orange juice. Like it's completely empty. The little store, no one's there. You're more likely to just walk past. However, if there's a queue there and people are raving about it, and there's people standing there saying, "Oh, this is good coffee, good orange juice," actually, and there's all kinds of like buzz around the little orange juice store, then you're more likely to go and try and figure out what the hype is all about. Why are people surrounding this orange juice store? I'm going to go and have a look. Okay, and that is why that social proof really, really works. Again, they've gone for the video sales letter. One thing I do have to mention, even though this is about millionaire mind hacks, other than the thumbnail here, there's nothing that gives me any kind of indication of what this is actually going to do to me. A random holiday pic looks like something off TUI or I don't know, Hotel Trivago, and then at the bottom you've got, do you want to pay $37? Well, obviously not, because otherwise, because I want to know what it's about first. So let's check out the video. Wesley Virgin was not allowed to use his voice because Norris. Okay, blah blah. Is that it? Surely not.
Shout out to Wesley.
Huge shout out to Wesley Virgin.
Wesley, thank you.
Hi, this is Anna Enka. This is a big shout out to my friend Wesley. You gotta listen to this guy. He will change your life.
5 years ago, I was making $8 an hour. I sent him.
Okay, just your basic testimonials. Yeah, like I said, it's video sales letter, so obviously that does earn points. But other than that, I'm not very convinced with this landing page. If I do have to believe the proof icon, then it is converting like crazy, and obviously it's one of the highest in terms of the gravity. But for this landing page alone, I give it a 5 out of 10. Okay, moving on. So we've got health, we've got wealth. Let's see what else we've got. Maybe relationships. Cinderella solution is health. Okay, we'll do Cinderella solution as well. We'll do, let's see what else we've got. Secret obsession, yeah, sort of relationships, that's fine. Okay, so we'll do 2 more and then I'll wrap up this video. Oh, video sales letter again. Prefer to read, always good that you've got like 2 options, so you're sort of like killing 2 birds with 1 stone. How one discovered the female fat loss code missed by modern medicine and lost 64 pounds using a simple 2-step ritual that 100% guarantees shocking daily weight loss. Simple. click to turn on sound, double buttons, video sales letter, and X intent pop-up, always good as well. The only thing that I personally never do is red text. I always think red stands for negative, stands for, I understand it's obviously for be alert, but for me, I always think like green or blue is better converting in terms of colours. But I'm guessing that this is being tested over and over again, and red has come out top. The video, the text version of the video sales letter looks nice. It's clean. Header's nice with the pink. You got the before and after images. This is Carly. Always good to have a story. Takes the reader along with them. You've got like small breaks in different colours, so it doesn't feel like one really extremely long story. Even worse, slam, and then why is right now the best time? Carly didn't stop there. She went further, and now thousands of people are losing weight because of Carly. Okay, again, I like it. The only thing I'm missing is a direct call to action button, like close. Like the Wesley $1 billion Virgin landing page had it like at the bottom, and then you had Left to Talks had it quite high up as well with the 3 options. But here, like, where is our call to action button? Like, where do I fill out my credit card details? Give me a break. Like, literally, unless I'm absolutely blind, I haven't seen a call to action button. Let's start again. Didn't stop there. Unless they really do want me to read all this before I actually make a decision, which is, sometimes people don't want to. No, I thought that might have been a button. Sometimes people don't need all this to be convinced. Sometimes, like, just the smallest thing can say, can tip them over the edge. I knew that. Oh, I thought that was a button as well. Guys, where is the button? Okay, so I saw a few call to actions there. Yes, order now. Yes, order now. Okay, I'm gonna have to give this landing page a 5 out of 10 because it has got the video sales letter. It's got the extend pop up, but the call to action button is just too low in my opinion. And where is it here? Make sure the sound is on. Where's the call to action button here? I don't think there is no call to action button here. Okay. Yeah, I said 5 out of 10, and then the last one is the attraction secrets. So this is like the relationships. Don't leave this page. Click below to get my free 14-day. Okay, good. That's quite a good X 10 pop-up. Skip to the text presentation. Hi, my name is James. I'm just 90 seconds from now. I'm going to let you in on something every man is secretly obsessed with. Okay. Long copy, long form copy. In terms of like the overall theme, it's clean. It's obviously it's using like the right colours. It's clean. It's to the point. Nothing's too flashy. It gives like this sort of like secretive vibe. Makes you want to read and try and figure out what it's all about. I think this is like proper like 90s. I think like the cover does need some work, but who am I to judge? This might be a very well converting image. Other than that, okay, you got certain signals and phrases, and then you've got the add to cart button here. Again, quite low down. I'll probably have it a little bit higher up, but I guess people need to be nurtured before they actually go get to this point. So obviously, if you've read all this, then you'll probably be more ready to make the commitment and actually purchase. So maybe I'm wrong with stuff like that. 60-day, 100% no questions asked money back guarantee, always good. Basically removes, basically puts the risk on you rather than on the customer, which is always good. And then a few more add to carts. One-time cost $47. Is there any testimonials? That's the one thing I'm missing. And my question for you is, are you that woman? Okay, so yeah, testimonials would have been a good one, unless I've overlooked. Obviously, you've got the video sales letter and the text form, which is always good. So you've got like both. In terms of the overall landing page, it's clean. It tells a story, which is good. You've got the X intent pop up. I'm going to give this a 6.5 out of 10. But yeah, like I said, maybe I'm just too like overly critical, because obviously, you know, these have withstood the test of time. You know, they've been tested over and over again, but this is just my opinion. Like I said, don't take this as facts. I'm just basically, you know, giving my opinion on these landing pages. Okay, so we're almost at the 15-minute mark here. Actually, we might actually be over the 15-minute mark with the introduction, etc. But I'm going to wrap up this video here. Hope you got something out of this. Leave a comment down below what you thought of the landing pages. Just numbering like 1, 2, 3. And give me your opinion on them. But for now, I'm going to wrap up this video. Like this video if you got some out of this. Subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.